Up in the Chiricahua Wilderness, up in the mountain. No, you don't go down there. No, you don't go in there, you'll fall out. Come on, come on. Oh, here's another one, Bree. And all I gotta say is, woohoo! Hell of a place for a little waterfall. I'm up in the top of Chiricahua Mountain, trying to drive down real slow. Wow, it goes way down there, but we got to get down off the mountain, Yuki. Come on, let's go this way. Okay, you know the way, so you lead the way, Yuki. You be careful, Yuki. Ooh, it's a piece of glass. I'm gonna take that with me. Whoop. Whew. It's a rough footing down here, man. I'll turn the camera around in a minute. But whew. See? With that crystal clear snow melt. There's some snow left right there. See where the sun is shining, you can see in there. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna leave this magical place and continue that slow 5 to 8 mile an hour trip down this bumpy ass road. Ouch. All right. I just love the sounds and everything of it. Can't beat this.